Hello ladies and gentlemen of YouTube, my name is Brad. This is my channel Animate Orange, and this week in 3D metal model news. Starting as usual with Fascinations. On their coming soon page they have one new model showing up. It is an Iconics model, and it is Optimus Prime in his actual Optimus Prime form, not truck form. Rather exciting because they've not too long ago released him in his truck form. Now they have him in his actual person form. I'm not sure what form to call that. I probably should know, but right now I can't think of it. Very exciting. With my recent Megatron build, I really feel like I need to grab a couple of these Metal Earth and Iconics models and put them together and do a little bit of a comparison. But moving on from that, going on to Peacecool's website, there doesn't really seem to be anything new on their website. Thanks to viewer comments on my last news video, I now know where I saw the Dark Optimus Prime. It was from Crazy Toys. They have their own website. I'll put a link in the description to both that particular page and their website in the description down below, but it looks like it is a Dark Optimus Prime. It looks like it's just a recolor of the already existing Optimus Prime model that they have out that I actually have a copy of and need to build. So it's kind of exciting. It's a different color version. It's something new to add to your shelf, but it'd be kind of neat if they put it in a different pose. But it looks like it might be the same thing. It does look like also it's in very limited quantities, and as of the making of this video, they still had at least one in stock. But if you're wanting to grab one, I would grab it soon. I think it's only available through that website. It is listed, everything, the prices are listed in British pounds, I believe. I think they can ship worldwide, but I've never ordered from them, so I don't know how the currency and prices translate. But if you order that model or have through AliExpress, but Crazy Toys, would like to leave a comment below to share with others, we would all greatly appreciate it. Consequently, I now have the address for Crazy Toys website, which I will probably use in the future as a resource to keep up to date with things that are coming out with 3D metal models. It appears that Crazy Toys actually sells through AliExpress, eBay, and their website, and they don't necessarily have the same things on each one. So interesting that they do that, and it gives someone a lot to keep up with. Speaking of AliExpress, looking through AliExpress through some of my favorite and usual stores, doesn't really appear to be anything new out there. So that pretty much wraps up the news for this week. It's been kind of a quiet week, so I'll keep it short. Thank you for watching, and thank you to my Patreon supporters for your support. If you enjoy these videos, consider becoming a supporter, not just of the news videos, but of the builds and reviews as well. There will be a link in the description down below at the very end of this video. Thank you for watching, and keep on keeping on.